Welcome back to the Ronny Trost Bodybuilding Workout Podcast. I got a cold. It's been raining, swimming in the pool, hot, cold, hot, cold. You're not supposed to work out when you're sick, but whatever. I'm going to do the Nautilus machine. It's my dining room. With a Nautilus machine, in case you're new, has a cam. The cam gives you constant tension. I mean, normally I like free weights, but I move around because get different angles on your muscles. Stimulates the growth when you do it different ways. So my weakness, in my opinion, is my arms. So I always work my arms first. And I walk like 16,000 steps at work, so I don't usually do the legs because then it's just going to make me hard to walk around at work. They're sore and doing squats or whatever. So let's get started. I got fish cooking on the stove for breakfast. All right, let's see what we can get. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Let's go back outside. Do some triceps. Oh. I went up 5 pounds since last time you saw me. Oh. So now I'm doing 60s. So let's see how many I can get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. Let's go ahead and get one bench. If I get up one time, I'll be happy. Just to get the blood circulating. That's all I think I could have got. All right. Thanks for watching the podcast. Ronny Trost, Natural Bodybuilding.